Bird watching. Hello, everyone. I'm being recorded while something I love to do. I love to watch these birds outside of my door. It gives me the most pleasure. And sometimes I find myself like looking so intensely where my body starts to shake a little bit. My ears are extra pointy because they seem like they're getting closer and closer to me. And I just watch. Each time this little one over here, this bird to the left, keeps moving closer and closer to the concrete. As you see, I stare, and it's like they're antagonizing me. Just like, okay, they antagonizing me to see what they're about to do. And yes, she's behind me recording, but this is what I'm talking about. This is so fun. I enjoy watching birds. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Too much on somebody. How I'm gonna get up out of the bed?